I do want to. But at Christmas.
Can you? Okay, I will help you. Let's go. Okay, go first.
I'm just scared. I want.
Okay, go first.
I'm so scared.
Why are you scared?
I'm scared.
See, I'm helping mommy, guys.
Mommy.
I'm strong.
I swear. Get I heavy. Yeah.
It's heavy?
No.
It's not heavy?
Oh no.
It's not heavy?
I hurt myself.
You hurt yourself?
I hurt.
Okay, put it down.
I hurt.
You're fine. Okay, wait. Thank you.